गोंयकारांनी जनमत कौलाच्या बळार गोंय वेगळें राज्य राखून दवरलें. ताची स्वतंत्र वळख सांबाळून दवरली. मात गोंयाक राज्याचो दर्जो मेळूंक नाशिल्लो. 30 मे 1987 गोंय घटक राज्य जालें. ताचे फाटल्या संघर्षाची काणी ते वेळचो दक्षिण गोंयचो खासदार आदवार्द फालेर सांगता.
Srimati Indira Gandhi came as Prime Minister, and I took up this matter with her, and I took up this matter in Parliament also. When I was arguing this matter in Parliament during Mrs. Gandhi's regime, Rajiv Gandhi came to me there in Parliament itself. He was the General Secretary of the Congress Party at that time. And he told me, don't worry, Goa will get statehood. He told me that. But then they didn't get statehood immediately. After Srimati Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi became the Prime Minister. And it was Rajiv Gandhi's Prime Ministership at that time that we got statehood.